Should I install email filtering, internet filtering, or monitoring software on my child's devices? Now, filters are great. They can usually prevent young children from accidentally, stumbling across material they probably shouldn't be. But there's also, the older kids and teens who definitely visit sites they probably shouldn't, but you have definitely a way of blocking them. Now, there are several ways around the filter, which would be using either another computer, a mobile phone, or tablet that's not actually filtered with the software. Whether and how you use your monitoring filtering is really a parental decision. The filter is just a tool to help you, but you know what's best for you and your child. Now, there are some children and teens that need very strict controls on what they're looking at or where they're going online. But based on your conversation with your child, you should be able to see exactly what your child is doing. Now, you could definitely use some monitoring tools and then inform parents of what the kids are doing, especially teens. But it could definitely feel as an invasion of privacy for many teens as you're seeing what websites they're going to and everything that they're doing. Do you really want to look at every text message and review every website your teen visits? Every family makes their own decisions, but here are some factors to think about. What is your child's age, maturity? Is your child sensitive to a certain type of content? The child's propensity to take risk? The child's impulse control? The child's willingness to adhere to family rules? The parent's values and concern over this type of activity and content? And any special circumstances that your child may have. Now, we want to make sure that you're doing the best you can as a parent, but also protecting your loved ones from harm and junk out there on the internet.